JFF President Michael Ricketts has been asked to pay $9 million in damages in the case filed against him by Ainsley Lowe in 2017. The case ended on Wednesday in the Supreme Court, with Ricketts asked to pay fines for defamation, malice, as well as aggravated and exemplary damages.
On February 28, 2017, Michael Ricketts, who was a guest on Hits 92 FM's current affairs sports program Sports Grill, made a defamatory comment regarding Ainsley Lowe. Lowe then sought compensation for damages after claiming his reputation was damaged following Ricketts' statement. However, Ricketts didn't file a defense to Lowe's suit, resulting in a default judgment being made in favor of Lowe. In subsequent hearings, Ricketts admitted that all the statements spoken were defamatory. Lowe indicated to the court that he has been ostracized by members of the football fraternity, had fears that he would be physically harmed, and was unable to be hands-on with the club he owned, and had suffered hurt feelings. The court documents obtained by TVJ Sports showed that the court believed the defendant was motivated by malice when he made the statements. It is also claimed that even during the trial of the matter, although Ricketts agreed he defamed Lowe, he was also trying to excuse his conduct and tried to sidestep the obvious meaning of the words used in relation to Lowe. As a result, the court awarded the following judgment. 1. Ricketts to pay Lowe general damages in the amount of $8 million and aggravated damages in the amount of $1 million. The defendant is to issue a public apology to the claimant on Hits 92 FM and in one publication in the Sunday Gleaner on or before January 31, 2022. The wording of the apology is to be approved by the claimant and his attorneys at law prior to its publication on Hits 92 FM and in the Sunday Gleaner. 3. No award is being made for interest to be payable on general damages. 4. The defendant is to pay the claimant costs in the claim. The costs are to be taxed if not agreed. 5. The claimant's attorneys at law are to file and serve the formal order. Ricketts could now come under fire from the world governing body of football, FIFA. According to FIFA's diversity and anti-discriminatory policy, discrimination of any kind on account of race, skin color, ethnic, national or social origin, religion, sexual orientation is strictly prohibited and punishable by suspension or expulsion. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.